When the highest possible cleaning performance is combined with a compact design, a solution for professional and mobile applications is brought to life. The Cleancraft HDR-K 5116 was developed for exactly this purpose. Weighing only around 18 kilograms and with an integrated carrying handle, the high-pressure cleaner can be quickly transported to the respective place of use. A trolley is available for even more convenience. The high-pressure cleaner can be inserted without tools and removed again at the touch of a button. The HDR-K 5116 is a compact, durable, professional high-pressure cleaner with a brass pump head, ceramic pistons, and a low-wear induction motor. With a maximum of 160 bar pump pressure, even the most stubborn, deeply embedded deposits and dirt can be effectively and thoroughly removed. The working pressure can be precisely adjusted to the respective cleaning task via the pressure regulator and pressure gauge. The water filter reliably protects the pump from dirt particles in the water and is easy to check and maintain. A thermal motor protection switch and an automatic safety valve ensure reliable and long-lasting operation. With the high-pressure lance, including a dirt blaster, even stuck-on deposits can be efficiently removed. The comprehensive scope of delivery includes a professional hand spray gun, a high-pressure lance equipped with a powerful dirt blaster, a specialized curved lance with a fully adjustable nozzle, an 8-meter-long high-pressure hose featuring durable steel reinforcement, and a complete water connection set that comes with an integrated filter. A wall mount with a 15-meter hose reel is optionally available. The Cleancraft HDR-K 5116 combines professional cleaning performance, high mobility, and robust technology in a compact, high-pressure cleaner for versatile applications.